Assalamu alaikum. In this video, how to make a white transparent text box in Photoshop. Let's get started. Create a new layer and select text box rounded or rectangle. I use example rounded and white. Press enter. Then again create a new layer and type any text box. Okay. Then resize your text box. Hold Control, select Align Middle, and again hold Control, select Text, or right click use selection. Then select the shape, create a layer mask. Then hold Control, press I. Okay, then remove, press delete on your keyboard. And again right click, convert to smart object. Again right click, rasterize layer. And fill opacity. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.